Hi, my name is Michael Motazedi. I'm a licensed CPA in New York. The thing we'd like to talk about today is what are W-2s, what are 1099s, and what are different types of 1098s and why they're important. A W-2 is when you work for another company. They always send it out at the end of the year, and it's very important to always have when you bring due your taxes. Let's talk about the difference between 1099 miscellaneous and 1099 NEC. 1099 miscellaneous is for rents and prizes, and it's not really used too much. But if you get it this year, please bring it to your CPA. They'll know exactly what to do. The 1099 NEC is really for self-employment. And a lot of companies are actually releasing it this year instead of just giving you a report. So it's super important to bring that to your CPA, as well as talk about what type of things are deductible, which we'll do in another video. Other documents that are important are the 1098s for the mortgage. So that's the interest as well as the real estate taxes. And another reason to go to a CPA is because they'll know what to do with the real estate taxes. Okay? The interest, you can write off. Points, you can write off for the mortgage points. So that's either points you paid when you purchased your house, or it's considered PMI. So that gives you a big deduction depending on how much that is. Other things we want to talk about is what's a 1098T? Right? That's for a student, right? You go to school, you pay tuition, you get that at the end of the year. Why is that super important? Because that can give you a big refund. You can get up to $2,500 for that. So you don't want to miss that. You don't want to go to a CPA ahead of time. You want to make sure you get all your documents. Not all schools send it out. So it's really, really important that if you've not received it and you went to college, call the school. They'll probably tell you to either go on the website or they'll mail it to you directly. So those are really important items. Now let's also talk about stocks, right? So you want to make sure you have that stuff before you go to the CPA. Robinhood in particular this year is not releasing until February 15th. So if you already did your taxes and you had a loss or a gain, you're going to have to do an amended return. So it's really important, either if you haven't, wait. If you have, I would log in and make sure that you didn't miss anything. Especially if a loss, that's actually going to help you. You can write up to $3,000 in losses every year. If you have a very big loss, it'll keep rolling over every year. Other things to look out for is wash sales. Wash sales is if you go in or out of a stock quickly. So that's actually going to hurt you on your taxes. So those are things to look out for this year.